Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12s and today I will show you fingerprint sensor test. Let's see how this sensor performs. So I'm going to lock the smartphone and let's make a few tries. So as you can see, this sensor is really fast and it can recognize my fingerprint every time, so there's definitely a good point. It's also better than Samsung Galaxy M22 that I tested a few days ago. So yeah, that's how this sensor works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.